Hi guys, Annie here. I know I haven't done any videos for a couple of weeks, but I've been working on this project and it just sort of turned into this beast. And I just kept on and doing stuff and more and more. And anyway, what turned out to just be something that was supposed to take, like 3 or 4 days, it took me almost 2 weeks. Working on this, and but anyway, I made it for a friend of mine, and I've known her since she's like, been a small kid, and she's 40ish now, I guess. I'm not sure, but anyway, she likes this style of stuff. Not my style, but I enjoyed making it. It was something different. And I had a lot of fun doing it because, like I said, it was something different than what I usually do. And but she enjoys it, and I thought, well, this would be a great surprise for her. And I'll show you. Anyway, I just put 3 signatures in it, but I want you to look how this thing turned out. I can't believe it's turned out to be the size it is. I didn't think when I started it was going to be enough. And anyway, let me show you where I'm at. I just put this on it to hold it together because I had to have something to hold it together, because when you open this up it just goes all over. So anyway, I just laminated the outside of it, and I sewed everything just for the stability, to make sure it all stayed, and it looks old. And anyway, here's the little charms on the inside. And this is a grommet with that red rose, because I did keep the colors red and black. It's like, I used Artie Mae's papers, the Gothic Glam, for most of it. That's most of the papers in here. But anyway, like I said, I just sewed everything trying for the stability, because this thing ended up being such a beast. And so I'm not going to go through this slow because we would be here forever. So I'm just going to get started. And like I said, it's just got 3 signatures in it. Let me see if I can zoom out a little bit. Wrong way, huh? There, maybe you can see a little bit better that way. It's got lots of tuck spots and little charms, paper clips that fall down the side. I'll show you that when I get it through. And like I said, little flip ups, tuck spots, music paper. So, I did incorporate some Edgar Allan Poe poetry, because it just seemed like it suited this journal. Lots of like I said, it's Gothic Glam, romance, the blacks and reds, and just the envelope. And here's some of the paper from Artie Mae's, from the kit. Most of these are from the kit. This is from the kit. I sewed lace. Lots of writing space. Just done this. I thought these was pretty cool, where you stamp it and open it up. Now I left a pocket here. Little tuck spot here. Papers, done a little stamping. Just put this, it's got a, little pull out picture. It's really pretty. And then I think I've also got no, I guess not, but I had some Edgar Allan Poe ticket. This is from the kit. This is just a little, I don't know, where you do the clusters. Little envelope. I'm not going to take all this stuff off. It's just got some paper in it, a little envelope. You can take all this off because this is writing paper for journaling, more journaling. Lots of journals, lots of journaling papers. Envelope. This was a piece of paper. I just folded it up, put the little paper clip on it so she can write on it later. A tag, which for some reason, I've got it hung on something. Here we go. This was an envelope that was in the journal, and I just cut it and I glued the top, you know, on this side of the paper, and then I cut just a little sliver off so I can make a tag, because I couldn't find anything else to use it for. And I just made a tuck spot in the top. Done stamping. I done quite a bit of stamping with the little bird, and you know, just script and just, you know, stuff like that. And I love this stuff where you stamp just a piece of paper and it just opens up and you just write in it, or put some, make you something on the inside, and another tuck spot. And I think this is a pull, yeah, this is a pull out. Let me see if I can, I don't know if you can see this or not. You take it here and you pull it out, and it's all like, you know, for journaling and all that. And you just, and for the back too, I know you can't see that, but it's got plenty of writing space. And then that's the back of it. And then here we go, another signature. But like I said, I'm just gonna flip through this real quick. Library card. This is all paper from that. And here's one of the hidden paper clips. You can take this off and put it anywhere you like, but it is a paper clip. And it has both sides that are pretty, so I really like these. And that's sewed in. And here's another one. Some gray ribbon or seam binding. Just some other, you know, little papers that was in the kit and stuff that I just wanted to incorporate in this. A little, you know, tags and a lot of sewing. I sewed a lot of stuff. Some more Edgar Allan Poe and some more journaling cards. And you can journal on the back of these. Everything I tried to incorporate. And these pages that you can't write on, I did try to incorporate something that you could write on. This is a belly band with the, you know, little journaling cards stuck under that was from the kit. And this, I done another one of these with a beating heart, because we all know Edgar Allan Poe, the Telltale Heart, you know. So, and I love this. I absolutely love this paper, and I didn't put anything on it, but I absolutely love this paper. So yeah. So here's just a little not a journaling card, but what do you call it, like a coin envelope, but I left a pocket here, and you can open it up. I'm not going to open it up. It's got a pocket behind it, and then inside, and of course you can write here too, and then also inside there's a piece of paper. So it turned out real cute, I thought. Another belly band with just a little book. More journaling, and I think that's it. No. Another envelope, another tuck spot. I keep turning this thing around and around so you guys, and you can take that off, and tuck spots and loads of tuck spots and journaling cards and all that stuff. So yeah. Loads of journaling cards. Here's some more. Here's the third signature, some lace on it, and this is some I think it's some paper that I got from a friend in Norway a few years ago, but I'm not sure what it says or anything, but I did use a piece of it, and of course I sewed all that. And you can journal on this. I don't see, guess you can see the lines, but some more tuck spots, and sometimes I done stamping on the inside, and this was just from the paper line. And here's another envelope with the paper in it, and just a letter, and some more stuff from the kit. Now this wasn't from the kit, I just made a flip up there, and this is just out of the kit there. No, it's not out of the kit, but anyway, I just cut this out and put it here on this vintage paper. And here's another Edgar Allan Poe. Some more writing, text spots, and all that. I just wanted to show you guys. I don't want to keep you too long. I've done stenciling in here, some more tickets, journal, books, journals, stenciled, copy dyed papers, the back of the letter, another, I put text spots, another writing, and this is an envelope that I just taped on, and you flip it up. And if you want to take it out, fine. It's washi tape on the other side of it. Some more sewn tickets and a little book, and here's a tuck stop, and that is the end. And I did put a tuck spot on the back of the book, and that's the back of the book, and that is all. And so yeah, I'm gonna put this thing in the mail if I can find anything that don't contain it. And I know that a lot of you guys, this is not your style, but it incorporates a lot of things that all of us that make journals have. It's just a little bit different theme. And anyway, sometimes when we make things for people, it's not about what we like, it's about what they like. So that's what this was about, what she likes. And so yeah, I want her to enjoy this and use it. So anyway, you guys leave me a comment, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.